Hi, GC News. Luma Olivia Aquaba had the latest and hot news. I'm a day, Bremo, and it is a winner subscribe for more than say over subscribe. The over say over click a subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. When it's a new video, be uploaded also was a epic can be. I feel we are now like the video and give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for so now. When you be here now, we be a course of work on a memoir. I feel you could see a summer at the door your pencil into a year's answer where
integrity and credibility. I don't joke with it. Oh, why? And Uncle be pure Uncle be and I be say Uncle be I say and an idea. Maybe peer program Nasia Uncle the
program no go on one and man.
And you see, my problem is quite you. But I didn't kick up on. I see a kind of credit the New Patriotic Party.
Okay.
We MPP near. Who tell me on this particular show? Forget about emotions, sentiments, past and factual change. Think as an ordinary Ghanaian. First, now, the BSC to come. First, I can't say the Boba or 20, the flag I found to go to about. And let me tell you, I'm looking at leadership.
So, wow.
Thank you. Obi or Bob, bet me and Boame. I'm not Boame here and money bush for I'm making him. And you'll be a catch and the party politics. What they will do is a total deviation of what they said in their manifesto.
Okay.
I'll come out and punch you. I'll tell you the reality. I get back comment here and say, when I was doing this to John Dramani Mahama, the NPP was happy with it. Timer in 2016, when I was consistent on radio, trying to expose John Dramani Mahama, their manifesto, no more promises, no more pledges, or more car. And we better now kind of what better almost Franco doing my NPP for Franco. But today, if I'm telling them the reality, the truth is a better pill. What kind of credit they have issues with you?
Wow. Over 10 minutes.
Sometimes, what meet here say, then you ask yourself, say, Nipana or Kasam.
Yeah.
He doesn't have the right to be criticizing his own party.
Okay.
That is my problem with the New Patriotic Party. Also, we NPP, that is in their constitution.
Yeah.
Also, quite in difficult moments where you have to defend the party, but Miss Adam find you.
Our party in the
constitution. And what I say, maybe I do me for cast, and almost said, what can I do me? Almost be sad say. Nana don't go find the say it is also not a cast as thank you. And one almost it is enshrined in their constitution. And you answer upon it me defend it at any particular moment. What say you will change in some worker? And you're dangerous, and it is recipe for disaster. It's more he can on, and you're too dangerous, extremely dangerous for the New Patriotic Party. Well done, so be
okay.
Just more can you done so be?
Yeah.
He has been a member of parliament and still a member of parliament for Subin.
Okay.
And a deputy minister. Open in opposition.
Yeah.
Now Kufuado or qua UK or Quatan in China, a Eugene will change.
Oh wow.
So he knows a Kufuado true and true on him.
Okay. And
at the first time of another Danko Kufuado, he was a deputy minister.
Yeah.
He was a deputy minister. The problem with you so you and support along with chairman.
Eugene will change.
The problem no. Go and look at the track record, the kind of interviews away. Was say NPP then it is a lie. And we mean that promise being can't just walk out with you next how we are going to fight against the person. Or say it is a tradition. And their tradition, no, they don't know any person who is an alien. Alien any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Okay.
Mahmoud Bawumia was never an NPP person. State this on record. Never an NPP person. So your NPP person and Kataban come pay with their man special dispensation.
Okay.
Because I say the person you the flag banner, the running meter, you should be in a good position, in good standing for 5 years.
Okay.
And if you look at Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, because they're not only good standing for 5 years, they have to give him a waiver. And Mahmoud Bawumia, no one true and he's an alien, he's an adopted child to the New Patriotic Party.
Okay.
You think some work can go, and some work can be dangerous. Now make us now want to say. Already say chairman Sabunsu. They have used him, they have dumped him, and then you just confirm their money.
Yeah.
Me can't name people for so Franco. You want to create a certain kind of impression. I don't want any answer and answer them. Me say, I always tell you, this Ejapade book is never a fiction, it's never concocted, it's never a dream, and your imagination. Kwajo, of a Ejapade book. Eba be see asem no so mo kwajo. Almost yes, me say this purpose of this book. Apart from some economic and financial resources, no, the main motive of this book is to suppress the Ashantis.
Okay.
When you bounce on do a diagro, no, was say, what can I catch them say? 10 men sabunsu. Of no nim so me pam na free parliament, no nim so me pam so me majority de omu ye free so. The meeting happened at Cantonments. Cause them say me MPP.
Okay.
Anything about the new patriotic party ye deep. Said you be wo ho mo pema asem say me kan okre no. E be so MPP mo so me godfather said they will tell you the truth say asem we say na e koso nti kan okre fa kire.
Yeah.
Me say the meet omo ye no Gabi office. Cantonments. And they decided so they didn't do it. Chairman Sabu so much. They set a trap for Chairman Sabu so but near man so. Bisa ho say I didn't take Kenufurata tamana on tiapo. E do so mu ready budget no. Omama obi an ko ready budget ni say o refer ni Chairman Sabu.
No the deputy so kura ni.
Ho na me ba no.
Yeah. No mo say ono na e bia wa parliament a chair. Wa manyese mu a chair. This is what they told us.
Me say it was a trap. A war calculated, rehearsed, plan, party, executed. And I'm going to tell you. And then, you have found in terms of corporate settings. Now I am minister. Now you have found to be an Oscar or deputy. Now what's now say 8 me plan the budget here.
Yeah.
Now say ever say be own tiapa. Who should be the person who should go and read the budget?
Deputy.
Thank you. Why do they make sure they will obscure from him and give to Chairman Sabusu to go and read? What is our question? Of answer your mind. They are tossing me. Chairman Sabusu the trap they set for him. They say, or can't budget you know. Go and look at accolades. I'm for boy about mass. Oh, Chairman Sabusu Kranipa, finance minister, boy, be a wabi, so a church in Semuno. And they created a certain kind of impression. Say, Chairman Sabusu person, no baby finance minister. See, the Chairman Sabusu, to say, eh, be an any no akako for bidiaba. Now, man for Boni Panabaso, no makas ah. Could you cry and I say, every Thursday say air classic no Franco, oh, you work for the Oscar Babbitt now. Thank you. And no penny papa could for the penasem when you say one casan offer. Kenofuriata in opposition. He gave the new patriotic party a lot of financial support to do their campaign.
Okay.
Papa when the Kwaje Busa Free Prudential Bank, MPP don't headquarters could see our papa could clear scan. And if you look at bond socialization between you and Kufuor, you can never underestimate it. And if you look at Chairman Sabusu, after say a certain chap remain here, and we as a baby, Chairman Sabusu according commercial on your finance minister now pay. Almost said money for so. Open nipa ba kuma. I just want make put this on record. On fast semun chenipa. Now yeah, they no cast will be or no yana say you come after you a Kufuor. I'm going to give you a typical example. Asem do make bia kase Franco say. Ya control about Kufuor conference.
Okay.
Udru grounds wa. Na obia was starting for intim. Now it was Freddie Blake in team.
Okay.
Something now Freddie Blake. After Pomo afọ koma Freddie Blake take over Omuwini power.
Okay.
Yes. Omuwini meeting in area Kufuor do be 10 a.m. Before say Kufuor do ban, the grounds in the night was going for team. Obia say team abre. Of Omuwini bibi area. No mo caso mo here government appointees no. E hotel. That day I was lucky because he was an MC. No catch him say me na chimi enko. Asama me kan kase Franco say Akufo threatened them so man to aba mfa ma wura fe Freddie Blake na say intim wani aba na omu position we tiri na dia free wunsa. I'm saying this with authority
now to Obi
me say yo me so obi see you me say, and this was the statement he made me so come here no as you hwe so she dey go appointees
bia ho pre
omu ko by around 2 p.m. na the grounds asesa no asesa. And it tells you, say, these are the kind of things they cost. Was saying, in doing this, we need to be strategic. Where you pay John offer? John say, we have to work with other people from some of the diverse ethnic groups,
okay,
including some carefully selected from the Ashanti and other diverse ethnicities or lands. This will make them feel they also have a hand in the pie. Almost say, almost tenacity,
okay,
almost selected. Ebi akobe ko bono be bia frimu akobe bia frimu nemu e ba Santa region ana Santa fo no e so mutimi hwemu di select yi nkofo bi omu yi sa nkofo be se na asa nkofo de kan ho akwa se di aduane aba na nyi nya ye mamedi ye se ba be di de ne akwa koma Oscar so they obscure from ye nyina no akwa koma Oscar so Oscar ni e tama Santa fo ni be bo mo ho so no say be they are part of the pie no na you too late and it is here or say
it will
yes
it will obscure any suspicion that the project is essentially an Ofuripenyin project.
Thank you.
This point is crucial because with electoral politics, we have to have our eyes on the numbers in the electoral process. We cannot be blatant until we are completely secure in the endeavor. It is especially so because so far the Asantes constitute the single most populous ethnic group in the country.
Thank you. The person change say, on the Asante phone bet me diagro.
But the demo at the fed FM.
What you diagro?
Okay.
Thank you. And you say change Sabunsu. Open papa kwenda Akufo-Addo. He has sacrificed a lot, has shown commitment for Akufo-Addo and Sabapawi. And I'm going to tell you, of our Kaya, time of pass E-levy, the NPP brought an incapacitated MP. When you say incapacitated, Obi Oyari want to mean here. Kaya former minister for chieftaincy. Sabapa no fear hunter ho baby. No Oyari need to ambulance
in the parliament.
Yes, some never tina wheelchair no man be to about for E-levy. A chairman Sabunsu yes ejuma. Now, if you look at Address for you, the imposter be by.
Yeah.
Say Address for.
Sasa mnukredi tipa na Ghana yentimi antwaso. Over say obia enyo no impersonation. Say enukranka impersonation say wo me kokko present me ho say me ne Franco no ekoye bibia na establish say enya me ne Franco no an. E de na sese ye. So mu e de na sese ye. Say me ne ambassador. No metimi akwa gina nipam na nya nipa hunu bia nso parliament.
Yeah.
Parliament baby yes.
Franco, and incapacity. For them to get Chairman Sabunsu,
yeah,
they promised him to be the running mate to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
But then say una say ni age no na in favor no.
One kind.
Chairman Sabunsu.
No no na sa ko kan baby say nkofo so meye eyi.
Ke do fa ken. Kwayo, yenye nkra wo kuruma. Me say Chairman Sabunsu, they promised him to be the running mate to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Go and look at the kind of facts that Chairman Sabunsu here. Me say, this kind of people, they are sanctified being there, but they don't know. They were able to promise about 5 Ashantis to be the running mate of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. We have Joe Wise, Aduchum, Napo, Papa Yafan is John Kuma, and a Chairman Sabunsu.
Yes, we make come out dream boom.
Me say, Nipa Makoma 5. Everybody now sanctified. For Santa Foko. And I think because of running mate, you have people who are in the factions of womb to me.
You are watching JC News on YouTube.
They are fighting against over friend. Thank you. Yet me can kase. Over friend John Kuma Kro Wuyen and the Ponikum. Won't you be paid?
Yeah.
Yet me can kase. Won't me cramp on Yas Antony. Now won't me fi same way you want it. Yeah. Yet me can kase Napo. Napo you will be arrogant. Napo no mabia oyen emwa e Santa for now. So if you look at the MPP and Bawumia, they will set a certain kind of confusion between the Ashantis. Chairman Sabunsu. Comedians will tell you, you leave the stage when the applause is high.
Yeah.
And Chairman Sabunsu, why a minority leader, why a majority leader, Ministry for Parliamentary Affairs. And Akufo-Addo buy you. And Kadian first and Akufo-Addo term no or is it no? They mention only Chairman Sabunsu as a majority leader. What is that idea?
We didn't care you were free.
Go because one was say, no, you should. There's some sort of campaign with the friend is a manifesto change, and there's some fast
manifesto.
So it tells you say,
yeah,
and someone you do what champion can. And you serious, Quadio. And what so Konya of Furiatamo? Akufo-Addo Busu for new MPP for no. They've taken total control of the party. And nobody said Gabi. Gabi can call Obi to say what change. And tell what charge I say, I'm married deal. No, men are make quite every negotiation. I bring what energy minister of an energy minister so call you a sort of play. No, message. Any feel you Gabi. And Gabi catch and say, they are going to do renegotiation about their married deal. I bring minister for energy. I go for the financial of Abakaya. Eugene. Any Papa your was and Tiachi. And the Pierre could be. Some painful we wanted to do the coup d'etat against Ofuriata. We have yeah. Me say Eugene.
Say press conference say there is nothing like that. It is no mpamu chairman some.
So if you look at sir, Omuyamuso is trying to be a rebel leader.
Eugene.
Yes, they are saying that he wants to be a rebel leader. As I be a bit stabilized, a bit destabilized Akufo-Addo government ni bian. Eugene Munelidi, Eugene and the appear could be, Eugene and the appear could be. And you see, our problem is Ghana for no ye mpɛ no kore se wo ko bi na se ko ne se zito se bi odi nsɛm fon kora na ye nya ma zito ni nsɛm if look at Eugene track record or yes uncle for matra bucha cheri bia he had that mentality say ade na say ameka no crack was ade na say I don't care emre bi me wo ho eno mo ka say Eugene akwa nkura bia na yeto agu so what is our story na school feeding program yeah kamikunu radio no ho no buy what's Franco once ma wo kan nyina ye no kra ma memfa ho touch na me ntirechiri and he was yes
was say oba wo mo na ye
yes ade no ma nya bi yo said okay and kwadwo misi keynote no ho na general manager be wura studio catch am say Eugene after so na so omre oba na de me tena so Franco once ma wo kan nyina no ma hu say dem kwaye na emfunso wo and dia bufo na ye but also church na catch am say we leader you enya bibia na it moves you or you act no say asema waka maka of all some go for as a car be si wo mo ye pia fo yi aso mo nya adwuma bia udwe kwadwo ma diska dia fi won mini jira ko na Eugene me park in car o park ko no Eugene say on fa mo nkwasa sem fa film so mo go pa adwuma bia anye you tell me the reality
adwuma wura sa wo mo so
you tell me the reality the Ghana high empesa the pensa from full respect we mun boss and some Eugene moken e no kra na say nya no kre Eugene say okwakufa ro okaka kire kufu ado ayi friend say Gabi say Gabi ye ni ho parliament house NDC 4 person move motion against Kenoforiata say amamo na ye bu enkoyie economy ni nyane na so if they are able to move this kind of motion there are a lot of NPP people go support say be ye ngwase ma no it's better say umi ano and I offer the reshuffle. I'm going to tell you one thing kwadwo open pa ba ko ye tin we ase pa ye kufu ado I'm going to give you a clear example over ye to about 2020 137 obaka ya before say about to aba no that time the general secretary of the party John what you say unya independence of akofie omo hian omo kwa dance from na akufu ado ka akufu ado catch omo say thank you akufu ado so catch omo say papa ni muade wa catch and say the oyin wo nyai papa na ira so ntimo mo ntwa ban fam o na tie ye to oba ni na wie papa went as an independent candidate he won the election the person who saved the NPP at that material moment was Kennedy Japan because papa na catch omo say answer no be get tuma omo conditional clause obeba the new patriotic party or catch omo say question tidie e so yin free was chairman question this one kwa bo say the free dancing rural bank Erika 2 million Ghana cedis 20 billion also coin no catch Kennedy say massa chama ye na bidi wo kakra say mo ka say mo yima free ankofo they will come after me and as Adam sika no this a mutual be free when Kennedy take check at 1 point me question to catch them the Fidelity Bank e wo you santas me catch
no bra so ban radio so aka say we dey say secret
over to you e say we now the new patriotic party e person me majority in parliament hanam say kufa bi tin kwayo ye adwuma say bia wo nkra ne let you try to also bring our input don't joke with it sir over to don't joke with it every one MPP for no omo ko senti Peduase Lodge okay e ho no mo ka kire akufo adom say papa na mo de ba so won sama me speaker of parliament one why emre two oba isuso ni yes m1 three the man personal relationship with MPs no they have issues with it so it's better to don't bring him MPs now make a proposal papa uso akwani other names edma akufo adom catch am say massa fasan kofo ba akobra we are going to vote for the person to become the speaker of parliament akufo adom catch am say baby ono I na again say Michael Queen na no ede what the member chairman sabonsu be catch say or they said the NPP MPs wanted to do a coup d'etat against the speaker okay they told him this kind of reasons maybe some chairman sabonsu ko catch akufo adom dey na akufo adom ye efa
still I want na buy
kwado omo wono I would the MPP party of your party I say you kwado me say omo ye meeting na no say you mo Peduase omo ye meeting then the NPP people pick a phone and call the opposition side FNDC for catch almost say this is our plan say munim not the Michael Kweba we're going to vote against the man say munim na mo kase enko ye open ballot we are going to have problem because you compare one sir, camera will capture you.
Yeah.
You people should push for secret ballot. Correct, I'm saying you push for a secret ballot.
Okay.
Secret ballot today, yeah. Now go to parliament or for more parliament, no. Omo ye intellectuals and elites. Omo ye unsa parliament. Omo se sem rami to asa. Ava wa. Omo se sem rami to aba. But be get said that you talk about parliament house in your spoil ballot. And I can cause.
That's what people cause say be o dey.
Remember, in your spoil ballot. And when a woman an MP, a deputy minister area ballot box.
Yeah.
And when a woman say abana yetum MPP need to abadiama NDC. What you? Sometime no. Now can say MPP tinya 138. My NDC tinya 137.
Yeah.
And you then a bandbagbe. On your MPP who is coming from the opposition side have to win the election. Because we can't send to Akufo-Addo fact. So the nice way to register their displeasure to Akufo-Addo and the MPP government at that material moment, they say, yeah, for true, yeah, for kind. But we have a nice way to deal with this particular problem. Quite bad, so. And you're too secret balloting. Maybe maybe offer say another offer any chairman.
Okay.
Now you're funny say offer Baba catch them and say, think Obi is Adwa Safua. Adwa Safua. Now Obi is Michael Kwe. It's me catch a Kenya company kwa Japan say. Me ba ever be pre MP wo do me kwa benya. Ti kola kwa campaign farmer no. E be so him say Kenya company kwa Japan no. And Adwa Safua wo mami no. The logical reason is there. Because the parents so no Nimpano and on the show, banana show, Monisano Mano. It's a map bed in the problem there. Every so who said the person quiet campaign for Maupa? Now, when Conco to address a four. Or also parliament or win, who did you know? And it tells you so if you look at MPP party now, at that particular moment, already didn't another Kufa was not ready to listen to them. And say, yeah, what you say about my when I say, and about my memoir about oh, this speaker no with swag. Was the MPP for say?
No, I am majority.
Yes, but for a job, was a bad right, no. Mark on their money.
You're waiting for this news, so and our head on. So we are subscribe, we are necessary subscribe. Now, what like it, my favorite share video, I'm offer for so in your video now. What also meeting at working for a year and some way now, I will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.